Welcome to our presentation on how you can use ChatGPT to make money now and achieve financial freedom. My goal today is to provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips on how you can use the power of ChatGPT to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. First, let's talk about the potential of ChatGPT as a money-making tool. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from content creation to data analysis. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. This can be incredibly valuable for businesses and individuals looking to create content for their website or social media channels. Next, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to make money now. One of the most obvious ways is to use it to create content for your own website or blog. By using ChatGPT to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and other content, you can attract more traffic to your site and potentially monetize that traffic through advertising or affiliate marketing. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to offer your services as a content creator to other businesses or individuals. With the ability to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently, you can charge a premium for your services and still offer your clients a great value. You can also use ChatGPT to analyze data and generate insights that can help businesses make better decisions. For example, you can use ChatGPT to analyze customer feedback and identify key trends and insights that can help a business improve its products or services. In addition, ChatGPT can be used to generate automated responses to customer queries, which can save businesses time and money. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate new product or service ideas. ChatGPT can analyze industry trends, customer feedback, and other data to identify new opportunities for businesses. Lastly, ChatGPT can also be used to generate scripts, product descriptions, and other written materials that can be used to market products and services. This can help businesses create more effective marketing campaigns and ultimately drive more sales. As you can see, there are many ways to use ChatGPT to make money now and achieve financial freedom. By harnessing the power of this technology, you can create new income streams, save time and money, and achieve your financial goals. One way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it as a freelancer. There are a number of online platforms where you can find clients looking for writers, editors, and other content creators. With ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily create high-quality content that will impress your clients and help you secure more work. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is through affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale, you can earn a substantial income without having to create your own products or services. ChatGPT can help you create compelling content that will drive traffic to your affiliate links. You can also use ChatGPT to create engaging and informative online courses on a variety of topics. From personal development to business and marketing, there are countless subjects that people are eager to learn more about. With ChatGPT, you can create high-quality course materials that will help you stand out in the crowded online learning market. E-commerce is another great way to make money with ChatGPT. With the help of this tool, you can create effective product descriptions and other marketing materials that will help you sell more products. ChatGPT can also help you generate product ideas and identify untapped markets that you can target. Blogging is another great way to make money with ChatGPT. By creating high-quality content on a regular basis, you can attract a large audience and monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. ChatGPT can help you generate blog post ideas, research and write content, and even optimize your posts for search engines. If you're a freelance writer, ChatGPT is an extremely useful tool that can help you write faster and create higher quality content. With its advanced language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you write engaging, well-researched articles, blog posts, and other types of content in record time. Virtual assistants is another way to make money with ChatGPT. By using this tool to help small business owners and entrepreneurs with tasks such as research, data entry, and customer support, you can earn a steady income from the comfort of your own home. If you're skilled at social media management, ChatGPT can be an incredibly useful tool to help you create engaging and effective social media posts and campaigns. With its ability to understand the latest trends and audience preferences, ChatGPT can help you create customized content that resonates with your target audience. So, don't wait. Take the first step towards financial freedom today and start using ChatGPT to make money now. Like, share, comment and subscribe.